So if you guys had seen my Telugu vlog, I tried mochi and I'm making Soumya try mochi now. Let's see her reaction. Take bites. How is it?
It's very different.
It's very soft, no?
Soft
It's
and
gooey.
chewy,
It's chewy. Even you didn't like?
It's okay.
Oh, I did not like it all. I cannot believe I did not like some dessert.
I've never had something like this.
Like
Very
this-
different.
It's very different. It's very funny.
Ah,
Hi guys, this is Nishita and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be vlogging because we have some really interesting things and we have Soumya. So today is our friend Shravanti's birthday and me and Soumya have come to meet her. We are currently getting a cake for her.
yeah.
We just
Hope we get a good cake.
hope we get a good one. So we just went to a bakery and it was closed.
Yeah.
So the hunt for cake is still on.
She's already tired. She's so
I am not lazy.
We finally got cake from iBake. She recommended. Let's see how it is.
Happy birthday. Shravanti, who sent you flowers?
Not sure, I should go check.
Secret fans.
Yeah?
Happy birthday, Shashank.
Thank you, Nishita.
So we've all dressed up in Indian.
We'll take the other cake also.
एक बार ऐसा तो सब काम हो जाना चाहिए.
Setting the table for the birthday girl now. Soumya, what are you going to do? The cake has been displaced.
Yeah, it's back to normal.
Soumya the Great has put the cake back to normal.
But wedding Santa.
Should I sit and cut my cake or should I stand? Okay. Happy birthday, dear Param Sundari. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
And
Valentine's feels around evening.
and this is Shravanti's special cake.
Eat aram se.
Which type of cake you eat? Ta-da! We are in Desi look. Shravanti made these French braids for us. We're returning back home, super tired. How was your day?
It was good. The cake was good.
The cake was so yum, so a big success. Good morning, guys. It is a bright Sunday morning and I literally woke up some time back because I booked for an F45 session today at 8:30. Currently the time is 8:10, so it's like a 10-15 minute walk from my place. So I'm just walking towards the workout studio. I had no intentions of waking up so early on a Sunday morning, but I literally pushed myself to. So I hope I have a good session. Oops. And also, did you notice I tried to like mend my yesterday's hairstyle? I've always wanted to go to the gym in braids. I don't know, I find it super cute. So yeah, I just kept yesterday's hairstyle and this is my fit. Right up to the side. Perfect. And then the other side. Yeah.
Alright, so remember, we're focusing.
Alright guys, just got my workout and it was a great session. I'm planning to get a smoothie now because I don't want to like go home and make something for breakfast, so probably I'm gonna get a smoothie now. So I got like a mango and kale smoothie and it's yum. So I made a good choice. Hey guys, so I got back home, took a shower, dressed up, and now I'm going to meet Soumya and her friends and we're going to do a little bit of sightseeing. We're going to Trono Islands and I'm super pumped because I've been wanting to go to this place from like so long, and I'm going to take you guys along as well. So let's go. Meet Soumya again, Abhi and Anush. So now we're going to Harbour Front and we're going to be taking a water taxi from there, and then we would go to Trono Islands. Trono Islands is a place where you can see 3 islands, and what are the names?
Central Islands, Toronto Islands, and Nude Island.
Okay. So we just got out of the ferry and we are on Central Island. This is so beautiful, so lush and so green. Absolutely loving the vibe. Guys, I just saw the skyline from here and it is so gorgeous. I'm going to show you in 3, 2 and 1.